Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Bonchat. First, open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android, search for Bonchat, and download the app. After the installation is complete, open the app on your device. When you launch Bonchat, you will be asked to join a server, so enter the server IP or domain provided by your group or company, or simply scan a QR code to connect instantly. If you want full control and extra privacy, you can also set up your own server by visiting bonchat.app and purchasing a cloud-hosted server plan with end-to-end encryption. Once the connection is complete, you can start chatting right away using the simple WhatsApp-like interface to send messages, share files, and create groups. Bonchat works on mobile phones, tablets, and desktops, allowing you to stay securely connected across all your devices. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.